Hello everyone. Today I would like to check that split that I did last time, split on the queen. So this is the hive that I removed queen from, and I put the queen here and shook some bees. So that was in my previous video. Now I would like to check, and I suspect that this nuke is full, it's 5 frames. So just in case, I prepared for expansion this hive, this box. I have 3 frames with natural foundation, 3 of them, fresh new foundation. I also have 1 withdrawn comb, nice and clean, will be perfect to lay new eggs. And then I also have 1 frame where it has a big chunk of honey, just in case if they need food, and some drawn comb on the other side. So 5 frames total, and then these 5 frames, they can go inside of this box. So let's open it and see first, see what's going on in here. Kind of doing it with one hand today, but that's okay. And then there's actually one thing that is can check, like, see, based on this, it's white wax. I think they brought some honey in here, and by the weight is, yes, it has some value. So let's open it and check it out. Yeah, pretty good. Actually, pretty good. Here's how it looks from this side. Lots of bees. Good quantity of bees. I think they're ready for the expansion. So we put these bees here. And with one hand, let's check the frames. Wow, that looks like they brought some maple honey. Wow. Now this frame is gonna be very heavy. Look at that. It's a fresh frame with honey. Well, not much honey, but lots of brood. Lots of brood, and the brood looks good. I see fresh eggs, bees are occupied, working really well. See, these ones are working on the fresh honey. Now we have pollen on the sides, pollen right here, you can see pollen, and then eggs and fresh, nice, pearly looking brood. So the frame is really good. So the bee brought some pollen to feed the brood, so it's just the best time to expand. Like this is on the other side. All right, let's put them here right at the center. So what we can do, we can just use it the same way as they're here. They're getting a bit mad. I know these bees, I bought them from commercial beekeeper, and they're kind of mad, but that's okay. Wow, this is good. Good brood in general. Yeah, some of the empty spots, but I see is those empty spots are full. They have some eggs in there right at the center. That means queen is laying good, and this one is full of cub brood. Yeah, so that's the right time to expand. If I wouldn't do it today, so I'll be out for vacation next week, they would probably get to swarming mode next week. It's just the right time to expand it. Let's check this frame. Wow, this is full of brood. I'm very happy with this queen. The queen is laying really well. Wow, that's the other side. You can see how much brood is in there. Sorry for the noise, neighbors are doing something, but let's go this sunshine. Wow, this frame is full and the eggs are even there, so this is perfect time. Let's put this one in here, and now we have 2 more frames, nice and clean inside. So I take this frame. I see they're calmer today. I didn't use much smoke because the smoker is almost dead, but the queen is outstanding, like just in what, 3 weeks. So I did it exactly 3 weeks ago. The hive is full of brood. So I think the fact that I gave them this honey frame is very beneficial. Now let's remove this for now and get the last one, and that will be good. And we will rearrange it slightly. Sorry, I have to do it with one hand. Wow, this is also full of brood. I don't see the queen. Oh, they started to build queen cell. Okay. Yeah, they're getting ready to swarm. It's so good that I did it today. So let's check it. Let's check it. Yeah, the queen cells are there, but there are no eggs, which is nice. And because there are no eggs, I can safely remove these queen cells. Queen cups, they're called queen cups. So I just remove them because we don't want the bees to go in a swarming mode. But as far as laying, the queen is outstanding. Okay, so we will put this frame in the box and then we rearrange it slightly, and that will be it. Yeah, this has another queen cell right here, so I will remove all of these queen cells. See, they're working on this queen cell or queen cup, and this is kind of weird congregation right here. I'll check them out too, but otherwise it's looking good. This is how it looks inside. Now the way I rearrange them is like this. Essentially I have these 5 frames from the nuke right at the center. Here is the frame where I have just a foundation, right? Just a foundation. Now on this side I have lots of brood, and then I have 2 frames with the foundation. So which is basically what I can do is I can put another frame with a drawing comb right here, right? So when I do it like that, they will prep it for the queen, and the queen will lay eggs, right? So I will have 6 frames right here at the center with brood, and then they will start putting honey. But for now it is good. Now this frame that already has some honey, I need to take care of. I need to take it out of the hive and essentially open that honey with the fork and sprinkle it with water, right? So I use fork like this and I open it completely. Then I sprinkle with water to simplify the process of removing that honey. And that will be it. So then I close it, shake these bees from the nuke back in the hive, and maybe I'll check one more time for the queen because I did not see the queen, and move this hive back instead of this hive, and the nuke expansion will be complete. So this is it. That's the situation. Wow. To summarize, I'm very happy this how it went. In 3 weeks basically I have full blown hive, and I think another 3 weeks when all that brood gets out I will need to add another box on top of it because that they will be multiplying quite fast. The queen is really good, laying so many eggs. Like, can you imagine 5 frames of eggs in just less than 3 weeks, or about 3 weeks actually? Amazing. Okay, thank you for watching.